Secure your home with WYZE Cam V4. Parents, what if you could protect your home and loved ones with the simple click of a button? Introducing the WYZE Cam V4, a smart, versatile security solution designed to keep your family safe. Featuring advanced 2.5K HD clarity and color night vision, you'll never miss a detail, day or night. Say goodbye to blurry footage. The WYZE Cam V4 delivers stunning 2.5K HD resolution, capturing every detail with precision. Rain or shine, its IP65 weather resistance ensures reliable performance both indoors and outdoors. Even in complete darkness, the camera's enhanced color night vision provides crystal clear images. Stay one step ahead with the motion-activated spotlight and built-in siren. These proactive features deter intruders instantly. Need to communicate? The improved two-way audio ensures clear conversations, whether you're welcoming guests or checking in on the kids. Setting up the WYZE Cam V4 is a breeze. Bluetooth connectivity makes installation hassle-free, no tools required. With options for cloud storage or local recording via a microSD card, you have complete control over your security setup. Integrated with Alexa and Google Assistant, this camera fits seamlessly into any smart home. With its affordable price of just $25.98, the WYZE Cam V4 is the ultimate choice for budget-friendly home security. Protect what matters most today. Visit Amazon now to secure your WYZE Cam V4 and enjoy peace of mind like never before. Because your family's safety is priceless. If you want to order, click the link in the description below.